Hello, YouTube fellows. Let's learn word meanings with sentences. Nagging. Nagging. It means complaining constantly about something. He is nagging about his son because he don't listen. Turncoat. Turncoat. A person who betrays. He was a turncoat because he revealed his friend's secret. Irk. Irk. It means to annoy someone. She is irking me with gossips I'm not interested in. Yapping. Yapping. It means talk constantly about something. She was yapping about her trip. Mock. Mock. It means to copy someone with the intention to insult that person. They mocked him in the event. Furious. Furious. It means angry or aggressive about something. He is furious because he didn't like the food. Elated. Elated. It means extremely happy. She is elated because her friend is coming over. Pull over. Pull over, or you can say to pull over. It means to stop a car on the side of the road. Can you please pull over? I need to go to the mall. Chores. Chores. Chores mean your household work which you perform inside the house, like washing dishes, doing laundry, mopping the floor. So these are all included in the chores. I'll be there by finishing all the chores. Hopefully you like the video. Must subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.